Alright guys, we are back. I'm sure y'all been waiting for this. We got the Rzr and the Ranger. How you liking it so far? I know we rode a little bit.
Superb. Made a killer difference for sure. We're finna find out what they'll do matched up against. I wish we had a stock Rzr here, because I honestly think I'd give him a hard time.
Yeah, it definitely improved on that. I can tell just from watching it. And the Rzr is doing pretty good, so we're gonna do pretty much the same thing again. We're gonna go head to head, and then we'll do single passes by ourselves. So we'll get started on that, and we'll get those times again from pole to the other pole to see if they're any faster. And then we'll be going on asphalt and doing the same thing, getting some top speed runs on the Rzr and the Ranger. So y'all stay tuned for that. So let's go ahead. You want to do your run first?
Roger.
All right. All right. Do 3, 2, 1. You want to say it? Outlanders, Honda Pioneer. One-handed, he got him. Camouflage Outlander got him.
Somebody just real limited. Alright guys, we got Brandon lining up his Rzr 1000 with this Outlander 1000. See, it is not a toy.
Alright, Keith's gonna make his pass. Oh yeah, that looked really good. Sounded a lot more higher rev going down through there, so that equals being a little faster. Now we'll hop in the Rzr and do the same thing, see how it lines up. And again, I'll get the same way, I'll time it the same way I did last time through watching the video, and we'll post them up, and we'll also post the previous times so you see how much faster it got. Hopefully it is faster. I know it will be.
Basically, if I would have had a Rzr beside me, I'd have taken the Applebee's.
So how did it feel from last time to now?
Major difference. I think last time I was at 32 miles an hour, I think, when I passed that other pole down there, and this time I was at 42, so I gained 10 miles an hour.
That's sweet.
Pretty big difference.
It sounded a lot higher rev when you took off from
last time it would only rev to about 4,000, and now it's revving at about 7,000. So it's just a lot higher.
Yeah.
A lot higher, way better.
It's moving for a big machine like this.
Yeah.
We'll definitely have to find somebody with some stock Rangers and Rzrs and race them and see how it compares. But I'm gonna hop in the Rzr now. We'll do the same thing in it and get those times.
Alright guys, Brandon's getting ready to line up to make his little pass. putting down the R's. What's up with it, bro? Is it still slow?
It's slower than before. No, it did a lot better. Definitely did a lot better. I could feel it. Yeah, I think they both improved a lot.
Super. What's your R's running at?
It's running up at like 8 something. Maybe a little higher, like 82 maybe.
Sweet. That's where I need to get mine. Maybe an exhaust in the future. Who knows?
Yeah, so we'll of course do more things in the future, but for now that's enough for me. I like it. It feels good. So,
Ready to take somebody to Gapplebee's?
yeah, that would be nice if somebody just was gonna cruise around, come up on us on a stock Razor or a Ranger or something like that, but unfortunately,
No Outlander 1000s allowed.
yeah, Outlander took me to Gap Town. But that's kind of obvious. Some things are.
It held its own though. It was only like half a link, maybe full link at the most.
Yeah, it won't happen again.
Ooh, roger that.
No. But yeah, we had a good day. It's fun. We're gonna go back to riding again. But y'all don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, if you need to know where to get a Gilomen tune and all that, I'll post our website in the description. So you can go on there, you can message him, and he will set you up with, and he'll set you up for tire size and everything, and he'll send you the right stuff that you need. So until next time, we'll see y'all later. We're about to go riding. We're deep. Feels like we're floating.